The Morses, one of Linden's oldest families, a family that would be instrumental in the eventual incorporation of Linden Township, the namesake of the creek which is the centerpiece of John Wheeler County Park that runs through parts of Roselle and the whole of Linden emptying to the Arthur Kill today. Patriarch Peter Morse and wife Mary moved with their 7 children to Elizabethtown from Massachusetts in 1665, and he was one of the original associates in the settling of Elizabethtown. A signer of the Oath of Allegiance and Fidelity, a document placing his family as inhabitants of and under the jurisdiction of the newly formed Elizabethtown. This family was influential in the Elizabethtown and Essex County as a whole. Peter and Mary's family would spread and join their lines with other prominent families of the county such as the Winans, Clarks, Tremleys, and Conklins. Peter's grandson, Joseph Jr., born in 1709, was one of 3 responsible for erecting the first mill at Rahway Neck known as Morse's Mills. Joseph and his first wife, Rachel Bond, had a son, Isaac, in Elizabethtown in 1758. Dr. Isaac Morse served during the Revolution as a surgeon's mate from 1777 to 1778, then as surgeon from 1780 to 1783 for the New Jersey militia, and then under General Matthias Williams with the New Jersey Regulars in defense of Elizabethtown. His wife, Amy Conklin Morse, was the niece of famed New Jersey Colonel Elias Dayton. A decade after the war, Isaac also accompanied George Washington as the 4th New Jersey's detached militia's regimental surgeon in 1794 on an expedition into western Pennsylvania. Amos Morse Jr. also served as a patriot during the War of Independence. First married to Sarah Clark of Middlesex County Clerks in 1765, she unfortunately passed away in 1766. He soon married Susanna Winans, and they enjoyed a long marriage. He served first as a lieutenant, then rose to the rank of captain in the 1st Regiment, Essex County of the New Jersey Militia. As the war progressed, he was commissioned as a captain under Colonel Moses Jacques with the New Jersey Regulars. After the Battle of Springfield, June 23, 1780, he was regularly ordered with recon and sentry duty, keeping an ever-watchful eye on the scoundrel stationed on Staten Island. It is noted he and his group were tasked with harassing British along the Arthur Kill, hindering the Loyalists from driving oxen, and Royal forces acquiring provisions through trade or seizure alike. His group was one of the regularly stationed forces in the Linden area. This courageous frontline duty put him and his men in routine danger. On the fateful day of June 26, 1781, along with 40 of his men under his command, they were ambushed and captured by the British and Loyalist forces at Rahway Meadows. Rahway Meadows is now the Bayway Refinery. The British and Loyalists, known as the New Jersey Volunteers, crossed over to Tremley's Point undetected and were able to surround Morse and his men. Among the Loyalist officers was Cornelius Hetfield of Elizabethtown, whose farm and cider mill were located in the Bayway section of Linden on what is now New Brunswick Avenue. There is a monument to the Morse family located on Lower Road accompanying the graves of Joseph Morse, father of Dr. Isaac Morse, Joseph's second wife Hannah Ann Winans, and Susanna Tremley Morse, wife of Amos Morse Sr., grandson of Peter Morse.
An honest old friend, a merry old